Hello, I'm Miss Kristin from the Rogers Public Library, and thank you for joining me for Catch 'em All at the Library. This is a Pokemon club that meets on Zoom every Monday at 4 o'clock. We do require registration so that we have an email address to send out the Zoom link invitation to. So go to the link in the description to register, and then you can join us every Monday at 4 o'clock for Catch 'em All at the Library. This time, for our fall kickoff and end of summer party, I'm going to show you how to make a little puffball Pikachu. So in your craft packet, you'll have this yellow poof, 2 little ears, and then some little circles to make Pikachu's eyes and cheeks. So all you're going to need is a marker, a black marker, and some glue. So first we'll take our black marker and we're just going to draw the black part of Pikachu's ear onto these pieces. And now that we have both of Pikachu's ears done, we're going to take our puffball and some glue, and we're going to glue the ears on. I'm going to use tacky glue, and I'm just going to put some on the bottom of the ears. You can also use school glue if you do not have any tacky glue, or you can use hot glue if you have that at home and can safely use it. So take my ear and just stick it on the back of our little poof. Do that for each ear. Push it on there, and there's our start. Next, I'm going to take the black circles and the white circles. I'm going to glue these tiny white circles into the black with just a little dot of glue. All right. And once I have those glued in, I'm going to glue these black circles with our white circles inside them onto our puffball for Pikachu's eyes. So a little bit of glue on the back of your black circles, and then we're going to put them closer to the top of our little poof, so that we give him some eyes. And there's one on each side. Now all that's left is to put on his cheeks. His cheeks are the little red foam circles that you have. So just put a little dot of glue on the back of these. And then we will add those kind of under the eyes. And here is our adorable little poof ball Pikachu. So again, this program is every Monday on Zoom, but videos will also be posted on Facebook and YouTube to show you how to do the craft if you can't come to our Zoom meetings. And you can still pick these craft packets up at the library, whether you come on Zoom or you just watch the videos. Thank you, and I'll see you on Monday at 4 o'clock. Bye.